It's me, Brian. For today's video, I'm going to show you the pride and best of Burauen Leyte. Burauen is a first-class municipality in the province of Leyte, Philippines. It has a population of 52,511 people. Burauen is located in the central part of Leyte Islands, bounded to the north by Dagami and Tabon Leyte, on the east by Julita, and south by La Paz, on the west by Albuera and Ormoc City. The name Burauen evolved from the word Burabon, which means spring. The name attributed to the town, which can explained naturally because of abundance of springs and several rivers. Burauen is fountainhead of two big rivers, the Daguitan and Maravong rivers, and the other smaller ones, the Ginaruna, Malitbog, and Hiboga rivers that passes through several neighboring towns of Burauen. There was a time that a drought which dried up several water tributaries and forced the community to flock to a place called Buraburon, wherein a large and sustainable spring was located and town people get their needs. During the course of the years, the name Buraburon means abundance of springs underwent transmutations of the word Burauen and finally to Burauen. Find yourself in Burauen Leyte. We have a lot of resorts where you can reflect and unite with natures. Villa Montalia Resort,
mga sapahan kinabuhi ginaniban nga bango
El Montaña Vista Resort,
ang mga katamsihan naglulupad-lupad nagsasarayaw haha.
Kawayan Resort,
Burauen kay burabot kan marampag kinabuhi ginsaruan ta.
Pines Resort,
Kapatagan kaupayan kalipayan han mga katawan. Burauen kay burabot kan marampag
Yanda Resort,
kalikuhan hantuna aton bantayan
Kansiboy Burabog Mountain Resort,
Burauen mga tribo nakiurusahan na
Kamasin Resort,
nag-isog na bayani hagyera nakiwiso
Kilot Resort,
kinabuhi ang tao ang mga mulupyo ginpupod sa ninduro. Burauen kay burabot kan.
Connect yourself with the animals and natures at Mahagnaw Volcano Natural Park,
Kaupayan kalipayan han mga katawan. Burauen kay burabot kan marampag kinabuhi ginsaruan ta. Kalikuhan hantuna aton bantayan marikon nakabuwason
and at the golden statue of Dr. Jose Protasio Rizal. Satisfy yourself with the culture and foods that Burauen has best to offer.
marampag kinabuhi ginsaruan ta.
So what are you waiting for? Come and visit Burauen Leyte.
Yan han mga katawan. Burauen